Welcome back to our series on budget-friendly staging tips, and in this video we are going to talk about how to make the home feel comfortable and inviting. Okay, so what have we covered so far? Quite a bit. Now, we know that the house has got to look and feel a certain way. So let's explore that a bit more in depth and get into not only the way the home needs to look, but also what it needs to feel like. Because now we're talking about creating a comfortable environment. Now, you know, when you talk to me about selling your home, I'm going to get into the minutia. I'm talking about everything down to what your pillows look like. If we are to make the home feel and look a certain way, we want everything to just be as comfortable as possible, then you got to go down to the little things like fluffing the pillows in the bedrooms and on the couch, because who likes a soggy pillow? I mean, really. These are things that are very important, and people may not say anything about them out loud, but all of this stuff adds up. You know, we're getting down to the subconscious level here. So, in addition to fluffing up those pillows, we want to make sure that in the bathrooms, in the kitchens, all of the towels are the fresh towels, brand new ones, matching, of course. If you gotta be in the middle of the week, or you get that hour's notice, which happens when you live in the property and you're looking to have someone come and take a tour of the house in the middle of the day, then maybe this is something that requires a bit more planning in advance. But we can discuss that when we get to the point where we're about to put your house on the market. That you just need to have an idea of the little things that can make a huge impact. So obviously, if we're getting ready for the open house weekend, well, this is something that's going to come pretty easy, because we really want to set you up kind of similar to a model, which, like a model home, new construction, which can sound daunting, but we've done it before. We know what we're doing. So pillows fluffed, towels, everything matching, fresh and clean. And now we're going to talk about the things that people take in that kind of stay with them. We all know about that cookie trick. They've even gone so far as to have all manner of sprays that you can have around. I don't really care for those, because honestly, they're just not authentic. If we can't go with real cookies, or real cookies that someone just happened to have eaten before the appointment started, then we want to have a nice candle or something like that. Depending on what time of year it is, we may go with pumpkin bread. You know how popular pumpkin everything is now. So something pumpkin spice, smack you right in the nose. Ooh, it's good stuff. I'm an apple fan, so I would, if you were selling me a house, I would go for an apple pie, even banana nut bread. I'm kind of prone to those things. So you might get some paperwork from me if you happen to bake up one of those treats before I walk into your house. No, but seriously. So if we bake something, or we have the smell of something that was just baked before that open house weekend, or before we have a showing, just kind of warm it up. Maybe even have a candle that is authentically scented in that manner. Now, if the buyers are going to look at 4 or 5 other houses, one of those houses smells like paint. One of those houses has a faint, kind of, dare I say it, mildewy kind of an odor, which some may interpret as mold, but legally we cannot just go out and willy-nilly call places, mold-filled. One of them may smell like the new carpet, and yours smells like delicious treats. I wonder which one they're going to remember, because it felt and smelled so good. Get ready for contracts. Hello again, Cedric Stewart here. Hopefully you learned something from that last video. Over the years, I've shared my real estate knowledge on all of these news outlets, along with many others. Like and subscribe to this channel for more digestible bites of information, and call, text, or email us when it's time for you to buy or sell your next home.